guys. So my power steering pump, it was making a whining noise as soon as you turn it on in the morning, and it would eventually go away as I was driving. It would go higher and lower as I pressed the pedal. So let's see if you can see. Can y'all see that there? Right at the bottom. Right there. That there is your 10mm nut. Alright, so it's right below this thing. So it's right here. Okay, so you have some space through here. So just take a 10, right? Go through the bottom. You don't have to take the belt off. Right? And put it right on there. Twist it off. Twist it off. Twist it off. Push down to the left. Lefty loosey. Alright, once you break it free, you're gonna twist it off. Alright. Let's see if I can do that for you guys here. I don't know how good of an angle that is. Even this. But I'm gonna leave it right there just for now. So it's right below this in the bottom. This is my right hand, and I got my left finger over here. And I was just driving the car. I just went to AutoZone to pick up the part. So it's a little hot for me. But I'm a G, so I could take the heat in the kitchen. Okay, it's off. Took it off. Place it up there. Let's see how much it throws out. I got a rag down here anyways. Not much, guys. It barely threw anything out. So apparently that's the thing that's going bad right there. So let's see how I can take it out. I don't think I could do it like that. So I do have a small little pick. Sorry that I'm shaking. There it is, guys. So according to all the Honda experts, that's what's making the noise. Gonna leave that right there. I'll just clean it up later, whatever, man. So replace that, guys. It goes right around here. Put the new one back on, and then put it back on. And that whining noise should go away before replacing your pump. Thanks, guys.